In the 1950s, during the Cold War, the American government began a secret program. Its name was MK Ultra, a project that would experiment on the human mind. Official documents called it behavioral research. Unofficially, it became the study of control. The methods were simple in description and horrific in practice. Volunteers and non volunteers, prisoners and patients, soldiers and civilians, all were used. They were given drugs, isolated in rooms with no time cues, and subjected to hypnosis. LSD became a primary tool, a chemical that opens perception and breaks boundaries. Some subjects lost their sense of self. Others developed uncontrollable panic or violent episodes. The CIA funded universities, hospitals, and private researchers to carry out the work. Files were hidden. Ethic committees were bypassed. Consent was often ignored. One key figure, Dr. Sidney Gottlieb, coordinated many of the experiments. He ordered doses, tested techniques, and monitored results, but always in secrecy. Experiments ranged from sleep deprivation to sensory overload, and from drugs to electroshock. Some trials sought to create a Manchurian candidate, a programmable agent who obeys without question. Documents later revealed black budgets, secret contracts, and altered research reports. In some hospitals, patients were dosed without the knowledge of their families. In the military, recruits were sometimes used as test subjects for interrogation techniques. And then there are the deaths, mysterious falls, suicides labeled as such, and yawning blanks in the records. One name haunts the papers: Frank Olson, a scientist who questioned the program. A week after expressing concern, Olson fell from a New York hotel window. The CIA called it suicide. His family fought for the truth for decades. Later revelations made the mystery darker, not clearer. In the 1970s, congressional hearings exposed fragments of MK Ultra. Public outrage followed. But the CIA had destroyed many documents, leaving only shards for historians to piece together. Survivors described experiments that blurred reality, hallucinations that felt permanent. Victims talked about waking in rooms that weren't rooms, voices that weren't there, and identities slipping away. Some alleged that the project's techniques seeded paranoia across communities. If you think this was disturbing, wait for part 2.